All right, today we are diving deep into a name you've almost definitely heard if you're in the Web3 space, Polygon. And their goal? Well, it's not just about building another crypto project. No, they're trying to fundamentally re-engineer the internet itself so that value, money, assets, ownership can move around just as easily as information. It's a huge ambition, so let's get into it.
This right here, this is the question at the very heart of everything Polygon does. And seriously, take a second to think about it. You could send a photo, an email, a file to literally anyone on the planet in a blink of an eye, and it costs you nothing. But what about sending money? Especially across borders. It's still a mess. It's slow, it's expensive, it's bogged down by middlemen. Polygon looked at that and said, we can fix this.
So to understand how they're planning to fix it, we first have to understand the problem they originally set out to solve. And that story really starts with Ethereum, the foundation of Web3, and its massive traffic problem.
Yeah, this really sums it up perfectly. On one hand, Ethereum promised this incredible new decentralized future, an internet owned by us, the users. But in reality, its own success created this massive bottleneck. The best way to think about it is like the entire world trying to drive down a single-lane highway. The result? Total gridlock. Insane traffic jams, painfully slow speeds, and ridiculously high toll fees, what we call gas fees in crypto. It got to a point where using most apps on Ethereum was just way too expensive for the average person.
And this is exactly where Polygon first burst onto the scene and made its name. They didn't try to build a whole new highway to compete with Ethereum. No, instead they built a super fast, multi-lane express lane right alongside it.
So let's rewind a bit. It all started back in 2017 as the Matic network, with a laser focus on that one big problem, solving Ethereum's scaling crisis. By 2021, they rebranded to Polygon, which was a signal that their ambitions were getting much, much bigger. That evolution led to the Polygon proof-of-stake chain, or PoS, which just became this absolute powerhouse in the industry. And when you look at what it's accomplished, the numbers are, well, they're just staggering.
First off, you've got the sheer scale of it. The Polygon PoS chain processes over 1 billion transactions a year. Just let that number sink in for a second.
Okay, so it's handling a ton of traffic. But what does it cost? Get this. The average transaction fee is around 1 single cent. It's practically free.
And what happens when you combine that massive scale with those ridiculously low costs? You get an absolute explosion of innovation. Over 10,000 decentralized apps decided, yep, this is where we're going to build.
But here's the thing. Polygon's ambition didn't just stop with building one super successful express lane. They realized that there's no one-size-fits-all solution for scaling.